Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you leave your comments, your feedback, because I love your feedback. This video is just on, I just did an eye look, just this glitter eye look, and I just did the rest of my face off camera. And of course, you know, I'm gonna leave the products in the description below that I use, all the products. So yes, just enjoy the video on this eye look. Okay, for the crease color, I'm using the Afrique by Juvias. Bintou in my crease. And I'm going to use the LMR Cosmetics blender brush. I really don't know what look I'm going with. Just want to use this palette again. Just trying to get familiar with all the colors. So this color is nice. With hooded eyes, you always want to blend above the crease. That way when you see my eyes are open, you can see it. If you blend below the crease, you won't be able to see anything. So remember that. Now in the crease, I'm gonna kind of lighten it up some. So I'm gonna use this orange Dakar. That's a really good transitional color. Usually oranges and browns, they're a really good transitional color for my skin tone. Lexi Mini Round Brush. Color Fifi. Of course, I gotta do a little cut crease. My Eyeliner Cosmetics paintbrush. Okay, so I'm gonna use some glitter, y'all. I'm gonna be extra. Glitter Cosmetics. Color Joy in size number 3. I don't know what I done with my NYX glitter glue, so I'm going to use my Fenty eyeshadow primer, and that works good as a glitter glue actually. Ooh, this glitter is so pretty. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Wonder Beauty mascara. NARS Radiant Cream Concealer under the eyes before I apply shadow. Okay, under eye, I'm going to take Bintou Luxie Mini Round Brush. This is like the perfect little brush for under eye. Pretty cool. Fifi as well. The Wonder Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn palette. I'm going to take one of the highlight colors in here. I think I'm going to do City Lights. I love this highlighter color. So I'm going to take City Lights, and I'm going to do my inner corner, the tear duct. I'm going to highlight that with it. Okay, I'm finished the eyes. Finished this glitter look with the eyes. And now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is the completed look. And of course, I'm gonna leave the products that I use down below in the description below. But this is the completed look. So let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments, your feedback. And make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. Bye.